In this short tutorial, you will learn how to easily share threads post on Instagram Story. Sharing threads on Instagram Stories is a great way to engage with your followers and showcase interesting conversations or content. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Threads app and then find the Threads post that you want to share on your Instagram Story. Once you've found it, tap on the share button at the bottom of that post, and it will show you these options. Simply tap and select Add to Story. And it will open the Instagram app with this interface. Now, if you want to, you can customize your story, for example, add some text or stickers, and then just tap on the Your Story button at the bottom left to post this Threads post on your Instagram Story. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.